Welcome back to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology. In the last episode, we learned about the main features of algae, their structure, reproduction, habitat, and importance. We continue our journey with the classification of algae, beginning with an introduction and the first group, green algae, or Chlorophyceae. By the end, you will understand how they are classified, their key features, and their role in ecology and evolution. Let's begin part 1 of our algae classification series. Algae are classified into 3 main groups, primarily on the basis of their pigments, stored food materials, and cell wall composition. These 3 groups are green algae, also known as Chlorophyceae, brown algae or Phaeophyceae, and red algae or Rhodophyceae. Each group has its own unique features and ecological importance. In this part, we will focus on green algae, their structure, and their key characteristics. Let's look at the key features of green algae, also called Chlorophyceae. Most live in freshwater, but some are found in the sea or on land. They are bright green because of chlorophyll A and B. Their cell walls contain cellulose and pectin, and they store starch for food. Motile stages usually have equal, smooth flagella. Green algae reproduce in many ways, vegetatively by fragmentation, asexually with zoospores, or sexually from isogamy to oogamy. Common examples are Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Spirogyra, Ulithrix, and Chara. Let's look at different forms of green algae. Some are single-celled, like Chlamydomonas. Others form colonies, like Volvox, which is a spherical group of cells. Filamentous types, like Spirogyra and Ulithrix, are thread-like chains of cells. Some, like ulva, are sheet-like with flat, leaf-like structures. The largest, like Chara, are branched and more plant-like. This variety helps green algae live in many habitats. Green algae are important for both nature and humans. Some, like ulva and chlorella, are used as food and as green manure to improve soil. They also help produce agar, biofuels, pigments, and medicines. Green algae make oxygen and form the base of many aquatic food chains. Some live with fungi to form lichens. These roles make green algae very useful and important. Let's talk about reproduction in green algae. Green algae reproduce in different ways. Vegetative reproduction happens when filaments break into pieces or colonies split. Asexual reproduction uses spores, motile zoospores or non-motile aplanospores. Sexual reproduction can be isogamy, where gametes are the same size, and isogamy, where gametes differ in size, or oogamy, where a large egg fuses with a small sperm. Examples are Chlamydomonas, isogamy, Spirogyra, and isogamy, and Volvox or Chara, oogamy. Let's quickly recap green algae. Most live in freshwater, but some are found in the sea or on land. They are green because of chlorophyll A and B, and store starch in a cellulose pectin cell wall. Green algae come in different forms: single-celled Chlamydomonas, colonial Volvox, filamentous Spirogyra, sheet-like ulva, and branched Chara. They reproduce vegetatively, asexually with zoospores or aplanospores, and sexually by isogamy, and isogamy, or oogamy. Economically, they are used as food, fertilizer, biofuel, and in symbiosis like lichens. Here's your another challenge question for today. Which of the following is a colonial green alga? Is it option A, Chlamydomonas? Is it option B, Volvox? Is it option C, Spirogyra? Or is it option D, Ulithrix? Comment your answers or send them to us on WhatsApp or Instagram. That's all for part 1 of our Classification of Algae series. We have learned about green algae, their diverse forms, reproduction, and economic importance. In the next episode, we will explore brown algae and red algae, focusing on their unique pigments, storage products, habitats, and important examples. Make sure to tune in so you don't miss part 2 of this series. See you in the next episode.